Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Let's have a look today at Bmnr stock. If we have a look at the trend today, we are actually down by 3.29% at the time of filming. With the question now being, where do we go from here? Well, whilst I am not a financial advisor, and this video is certainly not financial advice, over the course of this episode I'll be giving you my personal thoughts and opinions and levels that I am looking for the stock to head to next. If it sounds like a good watch, please make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe. It would help me out a lot. So yeah, jumping straight into this one. Again, breaking down that trend a bit more first, I want to come over here and look at a more simplified chart. And you can see here the past 5 days has been very impressive, up by nearly 18%. You're really seeing the stock moving in the right direction over this time period. Again, if you factor in today's drop, this is still not bad, and when you zoom out to the past month or even further than that, you really see the significance of this trend change. We've seen the stock go as low as levels really around about $40, right? 42 at the lows. So the question now becomes, what comes next, and what do I think about the drop that we are seeing today? Well, honestly, based on the prior trend for the past couple of days, I think today's drop is actually a very good thing. And a lot of people are going to say, well, what do you mean by that, right? Especially if you claim to be bullish on Bmnr. Well, let me explain what I mean straight away. This stock has been rallying for a good couple of days right now. And the good thing about this, and the most important thing about this, which we'll get to in a second, we're now building some consolidation, right? We have seen the stock moving up and up and up. Today, however, we are seeing the stock not really dropping below key significant levels to watch out for, which in and of itself is some strength, which is going to be around $50.50. If you have a look over here to the line that I'm drawing, we've seen this hold up obviously recently and back here too, along with over here. The fact this level is continuing to hold up here is a major sign of strength, and I'm glad that we've had time to retest that and actually prove, or see at the very least for now, that we are able to maintain above it. Now at the same time, I'd also like to say that this gives us time for the RSI to cool off slightly, as you are seeing this recently head into levels much more towards the overbought side. Now we're having that time, as I say, to cool off, which in and of itself is a very good thing. So, on top of that, what else are we speaking about? Well, levels that I'm looking to the downside. As I mentioned, 50-50 is the first level. If we drop below that, I think there's a possibility that we could go slightly lower. Next level down from that, in my opinion, is going to be 47.25. Supports here, and also resistance level here as well. We've also seen support points at this level here too. So that's going to be the next level to watch out for to the downside. Again, if we drop any lower than that, you're asking questions about a potential trend change now, potentially going back down. In terms of the upside, and I think this is where we've been having the most difficulty recently, especially given the major runs that we've seen. We're having a lot of difficulty breaking into the 5460s, 5470s. Now I want to just highlight one thing. Go up a little bit to here, and you're seeing levels like 5530 being a key level of resistance in the past. Just a lot of difficulty breaking above this at multiple occasions, most recently as you can see, and also way back here. So breaking above that channel in itself will be a significant move to the upside. All in all, these are the main levels that I am looking to. As I always say, guys, I'm not here to make your minds up for you. I'm just here to highlight some of the numbers which stand out to me, in the hopes of hopefully making you guys aware of what's going on, so that you guys can go on to do your own research. Again, if we see another red day tomorrow, not necessarily too concerning, ideally as long as we stay within these channels. A green day and a push above that level of difficulty I think is actually possible, especially given the momentum push to the upside that we're seeing since the late part of the day. So we'll have to see if that actually does hold true. Again, all of that and more to come in the next couple of days really, and I'll be here to update you either way. So if it sounds like a good video, and if you're interested, again, please do subscribe. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right, guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here, guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment, guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from $14.50 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, On these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.